Hello guys, good morning. It's the boy Dam right here. Is the 24th of February 2024 guys. So we out here guys. I do some natural walking guys. Because I did tell you guys on channel all about that. But I didn't do no natural walking show guys. So yeah, we're at it and Daisy at it even though it been raining a lot. The place muddy and all that, but that still not stop us in it. Look at that guys. Look at that. Beer more than water. You still go through it anyway. Look at that guys, you see the river. The water kind of dirty because the beer rain been falling a couple of weeks guys. Yeah. So we're out here. Do some natural walking guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend and hit the icon bell so soon as we upload a video guys, you are the first one to get the video. So anyway, we're out here. I do some natural walking. Like this natural walking is good for the brain, you know. There's a gas in the green trees that will let out where give you a good peace of mind. If you're ever feeling stressed guys, just go for your walk in the woods. Yeah. And you're surprised to know when you finish that walk or you feel better, full of life. You get me guys? Can you hear all the birds chirping? You know, and this type of walking I like guys. Look at Daisy. Hello Daisy. No jump up Daisy. Look at Daisy. Daisy loving walking, you know. You get me? So yeah man, a big muddy walk. Yeah, so there I walk through the bushy part like not so much mud guys. You can see Daisy white, Daisy muddy. Look at the water guys. Dirty, you can see the rain been falling. So I'm decides I'm gonna do a natural walking today guys to show you what it's like. Look at the river. Beautiful scene of greenery in it guys. Look at that. Can you hear the birds chirping? Off the grid style this. We're deep down in the woods. We bring it to you guys to just have a look. Like, share, comment if you like the video guys. Leave a comment and tell me what I go on. What you think. Most people know them better than we because they just go 8:25 in the morning. So you know this is really early guys. So most likely you might buck up on a one dog walker like myself or two or a couple, but not many. Because it's kinda early in the morning and it been raining, so a whole heap of mud and all them shit. As you can see guys, look at that. Look at that guys, this is England. You can't believe that river is in England like this. We call here Blaze Woods. So you have the castle further on up there. Like the people go, you have the park for the kids. More time event keep there. Yeah. It's just a bit mud right now guys. Look at that daisy want to go in the water. Daisy love the water, you know. Yeah man guys. That is it out here. Doing the do guys. Look at that. Yes my people, Daisy happy without being walking. That set up Daisy for the day now, you know. And get me so running out doing whatever. Daisy good for the day. Like I'm saying, this breath of fresh air good for the brain. I mean, I'm a boy, I love to go walking. Natural walking. You just gone, me not have company, me alone, me and Daisy. We just hit the road. Sometimes we go like at 6 in the morning. But wake up a bit late this morning, so we couldn't go like early in the morning. More early like 6, but anyway. Like I said, I go after 8 now, so that's still a bit early. Look at that tree, the flowers on that tree look quite beautiful, like the people. You see that? Yeah man, that's what we come here to look for, this beautiful scenery, all this flower and these trees. Look at this cliff at the same time. If you do cliff climbing, you can go climb the cliff and stuff like that. But like I say, it's kind of a bit wet now, so it's slippery. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, share,